What's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Talk about Nasdaq 100. We caught a super early run here, straight out of the gate. It's a little early in the morning, but my traders that show up to the live trade room early, the charts marked off, analyzed for them. They're prepared to get involved in the market early. My order flow is up and running for them. My interpretation's there. I provide all the analysis. In fact, I entered this trade, took my laptop into the bedroom so that I could put a little heat on my back to relieve some discomfort and manage this trade, from the bedroom until I came back to the office around 8 o'clock. So, as the market started to tick here, naturally, I started taking some profit, moved my stop to my entry right here in this area. And the market impulse, corrected impulse, got a little sideways here. Actually generated two more entries right here based off of this kind of bigger correction. We built a little bit of a topping pattern here. Almost seemed like that the buyers couldn't get through this. The sellers kept rejecting it. So we broke here. We fell into another little bit of a pattern, actually broke again, and the market tumbled. Really, my entry didn't get retraced back to until we took this kind of pop up here. Now, on Friday, we had Fed Chair Powell speaking twice, 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. The anticipation was for his, comments to be made at 11 a.m., which they were. And you can see the market really did kind of reverse pretty strong. But, we got in this super, super early. It had before it retraced to the entry right there, we went as low as basically the opening bell, some 317 ticks roughly. Now, if you weren't if you weren't early to the game, and some people are not, we were here 8:45. You had a chance to catch about 230 ticks, and if you didn't take that one and you took this one here, well, you still had a chance to catch about 194 ticks. So, no excuses. There was an awesome chance to be done and out of the market basically by 9:35 roughly. Great fall consolidation, came back, created a little retest, broke it here again. All the meanwhile, I'm providing the order flow, I'm providing the interpretation, I'm providing the analysis, I'm doing all the hand drawing here. Assessing the risk associated with the position. Ultimately, my traders just have to make a decision whether they're ready to get into the market or not, and that comes down to their comfort level. I'm certainly not here to dictate to you what to do, but if you're trading the Nasdaq, the S&P, light sweet crude oil, or gold futures, we are trading them live every single morning from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Again, I'm providing the analysis, I'm providing the interpretation, I'm providing the order flow. If you're trading any of these four markets or all four of these markets, I believe that you will find a great deal of value by simply being around other traders who are doing the same, and somebody who's got a dozen years of experience in reading price action, helping you really define when or where these potential opportunities exist in these markets in real time as it's actually transpiring. So if you want to learn more about potentially joining us every morning from 8 to 11, there's some links down below this video. Click on them, do your due diligence, read all the content, watch the videos, send me an email, we'll have a conversation. This particular product is something that is a very high deliverable on my end, meaning it requires a lot of my time. So I'm not necessarily looking to work with just anybody. I will determine if you're somebody that I'm interested in working with or not. And I don't say that from a place of arrogance. I simply say it from a place that I know how demanding this is on my end to help people individually be successful in trading. So I keep it limited to the folks that I feel that are genuinely committed to doing this. If I don't feel that you're genuinely committed to doing this, I have no interest in taking your money. This isn't like a piece of software that I give you and just kind of give you all the content that goes with it and tell you how to use it. And then, you do it on your own. This is something that requires a lot of my personal attention, and is very invasively time consuming. Okay. I'm with you literally 3 hours a day, 15 hours a week, 60 hours a month. It's a lot. And I love doing it. And I love helping people who are committed to helping themselves. But if you're looking for a get rich quick scheme, if you're looking to, push your excuses off on somebody, this is definitely not for you. And I will quickly sense that. And I will, ultimately just politely tell you that this is probably not the right program for you. And I'm sure the right one is out there for you. But for somebody who is actually genuinely committed to putting all their excuses aside, investing the time in mastering a skill set, understanding interpretation, understanding analysis, understanding order flow, this is for you. It's a lot of work, but it becomes very, very rewarding upon mastering these skills. It becomes legacy changing. But if you're just looking to get rich quick, if you're looking, to pawn your excuses off on somebody, then we'll probably go our separate ways, and I'm totally okay with that. But here nor there, I'm certainly open to having a conversation with somebody who is committed to their self, to their future, to their trading excellence. And if that's you, I encourage you to reach out to me, and we'll take it from the next step. But these are the kind of opportunities that we're ultimately looking for. We're looking for low risk, high probability setups. We're not looking to trade every little, nook and cranny of the market. We're looking to identify areas where buyers or sellers are present, and where there's a high probability and a lower risk of ultimately the market taking a move that allows us to capture a lot of profit. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon.